Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable English lecturer Mr. Ahdi Zuhruf Amri. Let me introduce myself. My name is Refdi Fernandi as moderator of Group 1. We will explain the presentation about industrial sector development, discussing effort to develop the industrial sector, including how to enhance the competitiveness of industries in Cilegon, attract investment, and create job opportunities. And here are the members of Group 1. Number 1 is Ilham Agung Pratama. Number 2, Muhammad Fikri Rivaldi. Number 3, Elin Uslaini. Number 4, Refdi Fernandi. Number 5, Rani Sutria. Number 6, Ella Utami. Number 7, Siti Fadiah Amalina. And number 8, Kevin Iskandar Dinata.
Introduction. The industrial sector is a major driver of economic growth, job creation, and technological advancement. Cilegon, a city located in Banten Province, Indonesia, has been actively working to develop its industrial sector. This section gives an overview of the importance of industry development and introduces the purpose of the paper. Improving industrial competitiveness in Cilegon to attract investment in accord sustainable growth. It is very important in improve the competitiveness of the industry in Cilegon. This section discusses strategies and measures taken to improve the competitiveness of local industries. This includes initiatives such as infrastructure development, technological innovation, skill development, and collaboration between industry and academia.
Attracting investment to Cilegon. Attracting investment is essential for the growth and expansion of the industrial sector. This section offers effort made by local governments and relevant stakeholders to attract domestic and foreign investment. It discusses the incentive offered, investment promotion activities, and the establishment of industrial estates to facilitate investment inflows. Creating job opportunities. Industrial development not only contributes to economic growth but also creates employment opportunities for the local population. This section examines initiatives taken to promote employment in the industrial sector. These include vocational training programs, skill development initiative, and partnership between industries and educational institutions to bridge the skill gap.
Industrial sector development efforts. Cilegon City, which is the Center for Industrial Growth, or WPPI in Indonesia, a sector that contributes the most in the formation of the GDP value of Cilegon City, is the processing industry sector, which was 56.12% in 2009. First, Ciwandan District. Second, Citangkel District. Third, Pulau Merak District. Fourth, Grogol District. Fifth, Purwakarta District. Sixth, Cilegon District. Seventh, Jombang Sub-District. And eighth, Cibaber District. The industry of Cilegon City is split in the districts of Ciwandan, Citangkel, and Pulau Merak. Industrial development or industrialization aims to improve people welfare. Industrial development can also improve the quality of human resource with the ability to utilize resource optimally. This means that industrial development is also considered as an effort to increase human labor productivity, accompanied by efforts to expand the scope of human activities. The existence of industrial estates in the regions can act as a driver of regional economy. With the establishment of factories in industrial estates, It will provide a very large multiplier effect and can support the improvement of the regional economy.
The addition of jobs not only comes from the needs of factories for labor, but also comes from the opening of new jobs from the informal economic sector. For example, the growth of food stalls for workers to eat, the emergence of the needs for transportation that reviewed the ojek business, rented house, boarding houses, grocery stores, workshops, transportation service, and so on. These informal economic sectors are needed to meet the needs of workers working in the industrial area. The improvement of the eco sector, the inability of the formal sector or modern industry to absorb a large enough workspace that all additional labor is almost always accommodated in the informal sector.
Next, I read 5 slide. Increase industrial competitiveness in Cilegon City and attract investors to invest in Cilegon City industry. To attract investors, companies must have innovation and product that can attract investors to invest in companies in our city. With other superior product from every company in Cilegon can attract investors to invest their capital. And followed by good financial statements because investor will also see how well the financial statements are managed. If the financial statements are not good, investors will think again to invest in companies in Cilegon City. So, large companies must have a good marketing strategy in advising the company in the future so that it can retain investors to invest even more, so that it can advance the company and absorb the work teenage in the Kota Cilegon area. Along with the times in this era of globalization, entrepreneurs must be smart in meeting the needs of the global market so as not to be left behind in getting information to attract investors to companies in our region.
Okay, next section about creating jobs and positive and negative impact of industrial existence will be explained by me, Rani Sutria. First, about creating jobs. With so many investors investing in Cilegon City, it can open job opportunities in the Cilegon City environment. With so many companies, people open business land such as opening food stalls, parking lots, and coffee shops for works around the industrial area. The development of the industrialization sector is an internal part of national development that has the potential to make a major contribution to the Indonesian economy. The extent of the development in the industrial sector increasingly so a very meaningful role where the industrial sector is about to grow the agricultural sector and service activities that are increasingly widespread. With the development in the industrial sector, economic growth in Indonesia is increasing, thus affecting the rate of economic growth. Positive and negative impact of industrial existence. The existence of industrial estate in the Cilegon area has a significant positive impact. The tendency of the community to welcome the existence of industrial estates. They feel a lot of things they can experience, in addition to being able to improve the quality of community welfare, open jobs for people around the region and reduce unemployment. Limited capital is the main factor for the sustainability of people business, so that they can live a decent and more life. Therefore, the government needs to mobilize private investment In this case, companies located in industrial estates to create poster-child programs for people who have an entrepreneurial spirit or have started a business to get business development funding assistance.
One, environmental damage. Multinational companies that want to make as big a profit as possible will produce goods as cheaply as possible, even if they damage the environment, such as pollution of deforestation. 2. Increased competition for local companies. The presence of multinational companies makes it difficult for small local companies to develop because they cannot compete. For example, it is said that large overseas supermarkets can put local shops out of business. 3. Profits are enjoyed by foreign investors. Multinational companies will return profits back to capital owners in their home countries, thereby providing little benefit to the host country.
That's now for the presentation from Group 1. Thank you.